What's going on, guys? It's your boy GG Warrior, straight out of my garage from sunny South Florida. Damn, it's hot today. Oh my god, I'm already sweating. But what I wanted to talk with you guys about is my exhaust. I was riding yesterday and I noticed my exhaust sounded different. First I thought, man, it's a motorcycle behind me or something, but no, it was me. Shit happens. So let me show you exactly what happened and what I think the cause is of that weird exhaust note. You see that gap right here? That doesn't look good. Nope. It definitely changed the exhaust note. If you wonder what this crap here is, it's barbecue paint and it's chipping away. I gotta redo the whole thing. So when you and I fix that exhaust, the exhaust will look like ceramic coated with barbecue paint. So I would say let's get started. It's your boy GD.
Run.
Oh shit. That's what happens when you don't have an LCV anymore. What does it mean when you don't have an LCV? You might ask yourself right now. Well, you know, when your bike is stuck and you do have the LCV, when you start your bike, I don't know if you've noticed, but your RPMs are a little higher, you know, and then after around like 90 seconds or so, your RPMs drop down. Well, that's what the LCV does. You know, it lets the engine idle faster. So, you know, your engine, you know, gets some temperature. You know, it heats up a little faster, and it brings it down. So you have a stable idle. If you don't have it, what you basically have to do is, you know, in very cold areas, you know, like up north, when it's a little colder than down here in South Florida, you have to hold your idle, you know, for like 10-15 seconds, maybe less, and you know, then you can fire it up without the bike dying on you. You know, my bike is in the garage. It's South Florida. So basically, you know, sometimes it works flawlessly, sometimes when I turn it on and put it right into gear, it dies. Not a big deal, there's nothing wrong with the bike or anything. We are going right now to Lowe's and we are going to buy some barbecue paint. With the barbecue paint we will refresh the looks of my pipes once, you know, we got to the bottom of my exhaust repair. Now, repairing my exhaust, I'm gonna fix that little stuff that is going on here with my Speedster end cap, you know, that gap and stuff. So this will be basically part one of the series. You know, I'm going to be on the West Coast again, once again, and I'll be back on Monday. So we are going to continue the series. I'm gonna record whatever I can record now, and then we're gonna do a part 2. But for now, we're just gonna go get our tools, stuff like that. I gotta go stop by at Advanced Auto Parts or AutoZone to buy some power steering fluid for my truck. Stuff has been leaking, and that's gonna be fixed as well. You know, my truck also has like the regular stock light bulb, so I think I'm going to switch it out. to like LEDs or HIDs. I should switch it out to like 2 Cyclops 10K lumen bulbs for my truck. That would be funny. I mean, that would be actually really freaking bright, you know. But don't you worry, boy, when I'm in the West Coast, that means I can record again. You know, my stepdad, he has a XB 1700 Roadster Silverado, and it's actually pretty fun to ride that thing, so, you know, most likely I'll go and ride it. So, that would be fun. Cape Plumbing Inc. Oh yeah. What's up, man?
What Harley is that?
It's not a Harley.
What is it?
It's a custom.
Custom? What kind of engine?
1700 plus, you know, plus pistons, cams, and this and that.
Nice.
Thanks, bro.
It's a Harley body though, ain't it?
It's a cruiser, yeah, it's a V-twin.
Yeah. Nice.
It's actually I call it Yamaha Warrior.
Nice.
Thanks, bro. What kind of Harley is that, bro? I said custom on purpose just to see what he's gonna say. But back to what I was about to say. I mean, last time it sounded different, you know. It's got the little deep tone back. Kind of Harley is that? Kind of Harley is that? Yep, 3 galonas. All right, look at this, no key. Just slide it in there and click. She gives me the look. You know what? I can actually probably just go this way, right? Oh yeah. Man, what a fucking shitty neighborhood over here. Dun, 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 the warrior. What kind of Harley is that, bro? What kind of Harley is that? You clearly don't know nothing. Nothing. You don't know nothing about Harleys. You know? You can smell from 20 miles away that it's not a Harley. And by the sound and performance, you know it's not a Harley. Whatever, brah. Anyways. Advance Auto Parts, that's exactly where I gotta be. Alright. 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 Like my sound? Alright guys, I got my stuff. They actually had what I had, so actually a different brand. I used to use Rustoleum High Heat Ultra. Okay, High Heat Ultra Max or High Heat Ultra, something like that. I think it was just High Heat Ultra. and they had some other stuff. It's called Krylon, whatever you want to call it. Great job, brah. Great job. I can't ride fucking slow on that bike, man. It doesn't work. I mean, this thing is so fast. You know, we got only like fucking 5,500, 5,800 RPMs, you know. So with all the torque and stuff, I mean, you're pulling. You're just pulling so quickly, 260. It's unreal. Yeah, let's try it. What is it? 50 over here, 45? Alright, I'm between 45 and 50 right now. Dim. Well, my cigarettes. Let's light up a cigarette. Can do it, man. And look at it, going so slow. So slow. I should do that on purpose, you know. Maybe people will think, yeah, slow jet bike. I want to race him. And then boom! Finish him! Monster kill. What the hell is the hot dog stand? There used to be a hot dog stand right here. Amazing hot dogs, guys from New York. You know what? Maybe I should just take the bike and ride on the bike to Sarasota. But there's too many rainstorms, man. Every time I drive to Sarasota, it's like rainstorms everywhere, especially Alligator Alley. I always take I-75. You know, if I take what is he doing? Turn around, baby. Alright, let's get back home quick. Maybe I can maybe I have some time to still edit some of that video, and if not, then I'll do it tomorrow in Sarasota. I'm taking my whole setup with me, and then we are going to edit it. So I bet a lot of you probably like cruise in third gear, you know, around 50-55 miles an hour. That's what I am right now. I got a helmet on, so the exhaust is not that loud to me, but you guys might experience it a little differently. This is how it sounds like on regular cruising speed. I gotta close my visor here, man, because those bugs over here, they can be sometimes as big as fucking turkeys. Ever had like a big giant bug fly straight in your throat down into your stomach? You can feel it tingling, you know. I guess the 10K lumen was a little bit too bright for this guy. Anyways, you know what happens when you get like this big giant fat bug that flies straight into your throat, down into your stomach, starts to tickle you. Tastes like chicken nuggets though. No, need some barbecue sauce? I can dip it in there, brah. Dip it! Da 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 da. Let's do it. Let's go back. Oh shit. It's all illuminated here. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you what kind of paint I use for my exhaust, and Yes, I know I can go ahead, do ceramic coating, you know, whatever options are out there. However, you can also do it with barbecue paint. I've done it many times. It works great. Yes, it's brittle, as you can see right here on my exhaust. But that's only if you work with it, you know, very roughly. So that's how you chip it. But you can clean it up with, you know, microfiber towels and that, and it's fine. So if you, as long as you don't chip it or you know, take the exhaust off and you're not careful enough, but it doesn't matter because it's so easy to touch up. I'm not gonna touch mine up because mine looks like that. I'm gonna redo it and I'm gonna show you exactly how. And I used to use Rustoleum barbecue paint, but this right here is now Krylon. I hear good things about that. I actually hear that this is better. I think our boy Chad, the guy who drag races his Warrior, he used this particular brand. I don't know if he used High Heat Max. I don't think so. I think he used the other bottle that is like white with blue. I'm going to try out this. Hopefully it will be glossy enough. You guys know I like the glossy look, as you can see. But we will see. So I'm very curious myself, and episode 2 will follow soon, and that's when we're going to put our paint on. I'm also going to put a link into the description with my previous work. So if you're curious how it looks like on the exhaust, you know, and you want to switch from chrome to black, check out my description and there will be a link, and with a, you know, step-by-step video that I made for you guys, so you can, you know, copy it and then do the same thing. So thank you so much for tuning in. Hit the like and subscribe button, comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. It's your boy GD Warrior.